Okay, so I had the water tank on this thing patched about a little more than a year ago. Well, it started leaking again. Anyway, $400 for a new tank heater. But I had this that I bought before I got the RV, and I said, well, just do some tent camping, and I bought this thing. I'm telling you what I did, I think I paid $125 for this. It's tankless. It's on demand. It usually is used outdoors. So I just took and got a 4.5-inch U-bolt square and made this bracket out of some old steel I had. And I mounted this thing here. So I had to run an extra hose. So you can just use a Y and run both hoses off of one spigot. Hose runs in the right hand side. This is the line going out. What this is a 8-foot washing machine hose. I cut one end off, and what I did, I got the fitting here that screws on. I used both of the adapters. I think I got a little drip still yet, maybe. Anyway, and so I run this hose up in here. When I disconnect this hose from the bottom of the heater, I can push it in here, and the female will just sit right there like it's cool. It's really cool. Anyways, this is a lot cheaper than so I've got like 2 nuts here. I just loosen these nuts and take the heater off the back of the bumper, put it in the vehicle, put it in the camper for travel. Takes about 15 minutes probably to set the baby up.
Oh,
We got on-demand water.
this is new.
No more having to be skimpy on the hot water. We all can just
go to the back and
use as much hot water as we want until the propane runs out. That's how it works.